How to create a folder on your desktop. You're gonna right click, select new, click folder. You can change the text. I name the folder My Puppy Project. Click on it. It's empty. Of course, we just created it. I'm going to put my Microsoft document, My Puppy Project. I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to put My Puppy Project PDF. I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to double click, open it. You can see both documents are here in your folder. I'm going to X out. I'm just going to move the folder over here. Again, how to create a folder on your desktop. Right click, new, folder. Until next time.